Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gilmar Kiligo. My topics is all about the cooking equipment. The first topics is refrigerator or freezer. This is necessary to preventing bacterial and infections from food, especially compartments, are provided for meat, fruits, and vegetables to keep the moisture and content of type of food. Kani nga refrigerator mo na siya ginasudlan bitaw sa mga foods, vegetables, and also sa mga og ganahan kag na kay pangsulod nga mga tahem like karong panahona kay init kayo, dapat magbuhat kita ganang ice baron or something like ice candy para football ligya. So next is blender. This is used to chop, blend, mix, whip, grate, and liquefy all kind of food. This is very useful appliances and is usually used also by caregivers. So, ang kanilang blender dai guys, muna siya ang ginabuhat like kanang mag-blend kag mga ingredients like mga fruits or um, mga mango or others like. And the next is deep fryer, a cooking equipment used for deep frying. So ang kaning siya nga equipment mo ni siya kasagaran gamiton kanang magluto kag mga potato or mag fried chicken baka ana mo ni siya kasagaran gamiton nga equipment. And the next is ang rice cooker. This is a used for easier and faster cooking of rice. So ang kaning rice cooker guys, mo ni siyang kuan kanang high tech karon kay sa una kay mag ginagamit kan maglungag ta magamit matag kahoy ana. So karon very high tech na kayo ang technology karon. Nanatay refrigerator ba hinuon? Nanatay rice cooker. So the next is sofans and pots. These are used for cooking meats and fish dishes with gravy and sauce. So kaning equipment, sofan and pots, mo ni ang. So the next topic is sofan or pots, and these are used for cooking meats and fish dishes with gravy and sauce. So kaning equipment guys, mo ni siyang ginagamit sa pagluto kana magbuhat kag mga sauce sa gravy and also kana magapritada ka or magusabak ka kanang magluto kag like inununan nga isda. So mo na say kasagaran gamiton sa sofans and pots. And the next topics is karahay and frying pan. These are used for frying, sauteing, and other recipes prepared in fats. So mo ni siya kaning equipment guys, mo ni siya ang kasagaran gamiton live ka na magprito kag isda kay kalaha man ni siya. The next is ang pressure cooker. It is a medium equipment used for making meat, chicken, greens, and legumes tender. So this kind of cooking equipment, mo ni ang kasagaran kanang gamiton sa mga like kanang mga gahi bitaw nga unod like baka ani mo ni siyang gamiton sa pressure cooker para if muhumok ang ihang mga unod. So the next is a oven, a kitchen appliances used for heating and baking. It is a chamber or compartment where the baking process is done. So oven, mo ni ang oven like mag-bake kag mga pan baron or unsa mga. So the next topics is microwave or oven. This is used for heating foods that has been prepared ahead of time, frozen and refrigerated during slack period. So mo ni kasagaran gamiton ka like ng mga pagkaon nga nabahaw na, mo ni ang kasagaran gamiton. If dili na ka magluto-luto pa, if na kay bahaw, diretso na kag init ani nga kuan equipment oven. So the next topic is strainer. This is used for cooking foods by steaming. So this equipment mo ni ang kasagaran gamiton sa mag-init kag mga tubig, kay just like kay para dili siya muawas if magbukal-bukal na siya. So that's it. That's all for today my discussion, and thank you.